Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this brilliant Toyota Prius Plus 1.8 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 29,443 miles and it's finished in the colour pearl white. Now this is a fantastic fuel efficient family vehicle. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 200 litres of space with the third row of seats up. Putting these down provides you with 784 litres of space, and with the second row of seats down as well you end up with 1,731 litres. Take a look inside to the rear here. You have your part leather interior. There are ice fix points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got some controls for the infotainment system. To the right, controls for the display that you have at the top of the dashboard. Here you've got access to all different trip information. You can see your hybrid system as well. You can also access additional menus including your navigation, audio, a clock there. You also have your driver assist display, vehicle messages and your vehicle settings. You do have your lane departure warning system, your pre-crash system as well to keep you safe while you're on the road. In the centre of the dashboard you do have your touchscreen infotainment system providing access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB auxiliary input and a CD player for your own music. You also have Bluetooth where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have the Toyota Online feature where you can access applications here and your e-store. Here in the vehicle option you have your energy monitor for the hybrid system and your trip information. In your setup menu you've got all of your system and vehicle settings here. The system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Parking this Prius Plus is made easy. You do have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera, and there's even park assist with parallel and reverse parking to make parking as straightforward as possible. Below the display you have your automatic climate control. Next to it you'll find your automatic gear selector. Heading down below you do have your USB and auxiliary input as well as a 12-volt socket and your heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. In the centre console here you do have a cup holder as well as some different driving modes. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.